Hi everyone, Duane here with more Excel quick tips. Today we're looking at slices with tables. Slices offer excellent filtering options. They work with pivot tables and worksheet tables. What we have here is a set of data that we need to actually turn into a table before we can apply the slices. I'm going to the Insert tab, and on the Tables group I'm clicking on Table. It gives me a dialog box with a range, and my tables has headers, has a tick in it. I go OK. It's formatted it as a table. I'm going to click in one cell. I look up the top there. There's a new tab at the top, the Table Design tab, and it shows the Table Design ribbon. I click on the Insert Slicer command, and the Insert Slices box indicates the slices I can achieve. They all relate to the field headings that are in the table. I'll put a tick against states, and I go OK, and I have a slicer there for states. I go to its title bar, and I can drag it around a bit. It has handles on it that allow me to resize it, and now I can use it as a filter. I click on these commands here, and I can filter. It has a little button at the top right corner saying Clear Filter. If I click on that, it clears the filter. To the left of that, there's a multi-select option. I click on that, and I can have multiple filters. I clear that filter and I click away. Now I want to add some more slices, but I don't have a lot of room, so I'm going to scroll up. I have some space at the top there. I'm going to move this slicer up, and I'm going to pick up the little handle on the bottom left-hand corner. I'm going to size it out, change the shape, move it to the left, move it to the top, size it in a little bit, and I'm going to change it from rows to columns by changing the column width. If I go to Slicer, see that's the new tab, there's the ribbon. Towards the right on the Buttons group, I see Columns. I'm going to increase that columns to 7. Now I have more buttons. Can't see them all very well. I'm going to size the height of them down a wee bit so that I can see those buttons nicely. Now I'm going to add the slices. If I click in the data once more and I go to Table Design, I can get that Insert Slicer button. If I click on that, I'm going to put a tick where it says Salesperson, Product, and Level, and OK, and I have 3 more slices that I'm going to size out. The first one, Salesperson, I'm going to move that to the left. Product, I'll put that in the middle. Level, put that up the top there. Now, the 3 of them, if I click on one, hold down the Control key, click on another, and the other, I've got 3 of them selected. And I'm going to pick up the little handle underneath, and I'm going to drag them up and size it into a position so that it's just above the data. Now, I'm quickly going to make some changes to these slices. I'm clicking on the Salesperson slicer there. I'm going to pick up its little handle and drag it to the right so it's lined up with that column. I'm going to go up here to the Slicer tab. I'm going to increase the columns to 2. Now I'm going to go to Product. I'm going to size it to the left and size it to the right. I'm going to make that 3 columns. And now I'm going to click away. And you can see what we can achieve with slices. If I click in A12, I'm just going to go to View and Freeze Panes. And that means if I scroll down through the data, it doesn't hide my slices. Well, there's slices with tables. If you have any questions, email me on info@projectexcel.com.au. I'll get back to you as quick as I can. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give it a like or even subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.